What if your clients beg to pay you more? Like literally, instead of asking for a discount, right? You think I'm kidding? I'm not. And I'm talking about creating an offer so magnetic, so built to satisfy their deepest need that prices stop being even the conversation entirely. Most business owners, they're busy trying to convince people they are worth it. But when you know how to trigger urge, you don't convince. You cause people to feel like not buying from you. That's the real risk. See, everyone tells you give people what they want. Cute, but average. Here's the truth. You don't just give them what they want, you give them what they didn't even know they needed, okay? And you deliver it in a way that feels like you're getting the deal of a lifetime. This is what we're doing here, okay? The offers that win are the ones that wake people up at 2 a.m. thinking about them. Why? Because they see themselves inside of it. They're already imagining the results. They're tasting the win. That's not an accident. That's offer infrastructure. To create this kind of urge, there's a formula. Step 1, make a promise so specific they can picture the results in their minds. Step 2, build in an unexpected extra they didn't even see it coming. It makes them feel like they're winning before they've even said yes. Step 3, wrap it in proof, stories, wins, and outcomes that feel real. Proof doesn't just convince, it removes fear. Step 4, attach urgency, limited spots, limited time, or a special bonus that disappears. People value what they can lose. Step 5, stack the emotional payoff higher than the logical cost. When the win feels bigger than the price tag, they move. Now listen, if your job is to compete, whether it's business, in your space, you're already losing. You don't compete, you separate. You make what you do so valuable, so packed with emotional payoff that people can't even compare you to someone else. Okay? We want to be unforgettable. And when you create an offer like this, you don't have to fight for attention. You own it. Your service becomes the obvious choice. Your product becomes the one they tell their friends about. And your clients, they don't just feel satisfied, they feel lucky they found you. That's how you build an offer that triggers urge on site. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it for your business. So the only thing your clients say is, where do I sign up?